So let's see what it takes to do a traditional knit stitch. So I'm going to flip my yarn, I see ball of yarn here, to the other side, the back side, and each time I do a knit stitch, I'm instead going to pull that loop through the back side and up onto my finger to make the knit stitch. Okay, so this is not terribly hard, but it's just a little bit different than the purl stitch. You can see that I'm still keeping my ball end of the yarn facing that opposite direction. So I just need to make sure that each time I come from the back of the loop, here I'm going to continue showing you how to do some knit stitches. So again, I'm going to have my yarn on the back side of the work, and I'm going to, each time I pull up the loop, I'm going to put the yarn through the back side and put it on my finger. You can see the yarn is still trailing out the opposite direction. So each time I'm just picking up that loop, pulling it through the back side.